How to uninstall or delete any program on your Mac. So the first way to do it is you want to go to your launchpad right here and then see all of your application. So to do it on your keyboard, you want to hold Option and then on the application that has this X sign, you can just choose it and then click on delete. And there you go. And the second way to do it is you want to go to your Finder right here at the bottom left of your screen. You want to open it. And then you want to go to Application right here. And then right here on any application that you want to delete, you just want to hold and drag it to the bottom right of your screen, to the trash or to the bin, and then let it go. And then if you enter your password and then click on OK, the application will delete. And then the third way to do it is you want to go to your top right of your screen and then choose the search bar and then search for storage. Click on it. And right here on your setting in general, you want to scroll down until storage and click on storage settings. And then right here on applications, you want to click this I button. And then you can choose any of the application that you want to delete. For example, I want to delete this WPS Office and then click on delete right here. And click on delete. There you go. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.